Imagine a world where your online business runs on autopilot, effortlessly attracting customers and generating passive income. No more guesswork or endless hours of manual labor. With AI as your ally, you can unlock the secrets to skyrocketing your affiliate marketing success. From finding a perfect niche to creating captivating content, driving traffic, and optimizing your performance, every step of the process can be supercharged with the intelligence of AI. And the best part, you don't need to be tech genius to get started. So buckle up and get ready for the ultimate step-by-step guide to starting affiliate marketing with AI. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and tools to launch an AI-powered affiliate marketing campaign that will transform your online business. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make your dreams a reality. Start your AI-powered affiliate marketing journey today. There are 6-step journeys to make passive income, so let's start with the first one: finding a niche. The first step to launching a successful affiliate marketing campaign is to find a niche. A niche is a specific tool or area of interest that you will focus on when promoting products and services as an affiliate. Why is finding a niche so important? Well, for starters, it helps you stand out in a crowd. As you can see, this Pinterest account is working only on weight loss products. By focusing on a specific niche, you can build your expertise and authority in that niche, making it easier to attract and engage your target audience. So, how do you find a niche? First, think about your own interests and passions. These can be great starting points for identifying potential niches. Next, do some research to see if there is a market demand for your chosen niche. You can use tools like Google Trends, social media analytics, and keyword research to get a sense of your niche. There are many AI-powered tools and platforms that can help you find profitable niches by analyzing data and trends. For example, you can use AI tools like SciSpace.com for the research of any niche, and it helps you to choose the best niche. Once you've found a niche that you are passionate about and that has a market potential, you are going on to step number 2. Step 2. Researching products and programs. Now that you have found a niche, it is time to start researching the products and programs that you will promote as an affiliate. This step is critical because you want to make sure you're promoting high-quality products that will appeal to your target audience and generate commissions for you. Many companies offer affiliate programs that allow you to earn a commission for promoting their products. You can search for affiliate program using online directories like Share a Sale, Commission Junction, and ClickBank, or by doing a Google search for affiliate programs plus your niche. You can use tools like Amazon Bestsellers, BuzzSumo, and Google Trends to identify popular products in your niche. AI can be the game changer when it comes to product research. Many AI-powered tools and platforms can analyze data and trends to identify the most lucrative products for you to promote. Ultimately, the key to successful product research is to put yourself in your target audience's shoes. Ask yourself, what products would they be interested in? What problems do they need solved? By answering these questions and doing thorough research, you can identify the best products and programs to promote as an affiliate. Step number 3. Creating content. Your content should be relevant to your niche and should help your audience understand why the product you're promoting are valuable and worth purchasing. So, how do you create great content? Well, the first step is to decide on the type of content you want to create. Do you want to write blog posts, create videos, or record podcasts? The choice is up to you, but it is important to choose a format that you are comfortable with and that your target audience is likely to engage with. Once you've chosen your format, it is time to start creating content, and this is where AI can really help. Many AI-powered tools and platforms can help you generate content ideas like ChatGPT, optimize your headlines and titles, and even write content for you. For example, you can use tools like HubSpot's blog idea generator or BuzzSumo to generate ideas for blog posts. You can also use tools like Lumen 5 or Animoto to create professional quality videos without needing to be a video editing expert. Remember, the goal of your content is to educate and inform your audience about the products and programs you are promoting. So, make sure your content is engaging, informative, and valuable to your audience. Step number 4. Building a website or social presence. Having a website is essential for any affiliate marketer, as it provides a platform to promote your products and programs and engage with your audience. First, choose a domain name that is relevant to your niche and easy to remember. Next, choose a website builder that is user-friendly and allows you to create a website that is optimized for search engines. Popular website builders like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace are great options for beginners. You can make a website using AI tool Durable.co and can easily make a user-friendly website in few seconds. Ultimately, your website is the foundation of your affiliate marketing campaign, so it is important to take the time to design and optimize it for success. Number 5. Driving traffic to your website. Once you have a website up and running, the next step is to drive traffic to it. After all, the more traffic you have, the more potential customers you can reach and the more money you can make. One of the most effective ways to drive traffic to your website is through search engine optimization, or SEO. AI can be incredibly helpful when it comes to SEO. Many AI-powered tools and platforms can analyze your website's content and structure and provide recommendations for improvement. For example, you can use tools like Yoast SEO or Ahrefs to optimize websites' content and keywords for search engines. Social media is another powerful tool for driving traffic to your website. By building a following on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you can attract more visitors to your website and promote your affiliate products and programs. Paid advertising is another option for driving traffic to your website. You can use platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to target specific audience and drive traffic to your website. AI can help optimize your ad campaigns by analyzing data and making recommendations for improvement. Ultimately, there are many ways to drive traffic to your website, and the best approach will depend on your niche, target audience, and budget. But by leveraging the power of AI, you can make the data-driven decisions and optimize your strategies for maximum impact. Step number 6. Tracking and optimizing performance. The final step in launching your AI-powered affiliate marketing campaign is to track your performance and optimize your strategy for success. One of the most important metrics to track is conversion rate, the percentage of visitors to your website who complete a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. By analyzing your conversion rate, you can identify areas for improvement in your website design, content, and marketing strategies. AI can be incredibly helpful when it comes to tracking and optimizing your performance. A/B testing is another powerful tool for optimizing your performance. By testing different versions of your website or marketing campaigns, you can identify which variations perform best and make data-driven decisions about how to improve your strategy. By tracking your metrics with the help of AI, you can optimize your affiliate marketing strategy for maximum success. Congratulations! You have now learned the 6 essential steps for launching an AI-powered affiliate marketing campaign. Leveraging the power of AI, you can launch a successful affiliate marketing campaign that generates passive income and helps you achieve your online business goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start your AI-powered affiliate marketing journey today!